warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Magandang umaga at sana'y mag-enjoy po tayo.
Magandang umaga po sa kanilang lahat. Welcome to the 16th Supreme National Congress of the Associated Labor Unions.
The theme for our 16th Supreme National Congress is the call of our times and to the future, to continue fighting for what is fundamental to each and every worker at home and abroad: living wages, security of tenure, and labor rights amid the ever-changing world entering cyber age and facing climate change. May this Congress bolster our firm resolve para sa manggagawang Pilipino.
Yung unwavering commitment ng ALU, kitang-kita ko ito, yung unwavering commitment ng ALU sa organizing ay talaga namang laudable, kaya palakpakan nyo ang sarili nyo, mga kapatid. Hindi siguro magtatagal ang ALU ng ganyan kahaba kung hindi tama ang kanyang ginagawa. Kaya isang record na manatili siya sa kilusang paggawa ng ganyang kahaba, no?
It's important that ALU, after 70 years, is leading the way, always loving you, always there for you. There are times, binisaya pa, agwanta lang muna, agwanta lang una, but now we are strong. ALU, the biggest union in this country, the biggest federation and affiliate of TUCP, the Labor Center, all over the Philippines.
Mabuhay ang uring manggagawa! Mabuhay ang ALU! Basta ALU!
Sigurado!
TUCP!
Panalo!
Maraming salamat po.
Always remember, it is workers who build the wealth of the country, and it is our unions that make us all strong. Basta ALU, sigurado! Mabuhay ang ALU! Mabuhay ang manggagawang Pilipino!